Hello and welcome to LearnWebDevelopment.com. My name is Craig Campbell and I want to welcome you to Customizing WordPress Websites. In this video series we're going to take a look at WordPress websites and WordPress blogs, and we're going to take a look at how we can truly customize them to make them our own. Mainly we're going to look at customizing the look and feel of the website. When we talk about customizing WordPress, there are a few different things we're talking about. The first thing we're going to look at is customizing the theme of your WordPress website. A theme is basically a template which defines what your site looks like, and there are all kinds of free WordPress themes out there that we can download. Once we download and install a new theme, we're going to take a look at how to download plugins and install plugins on our WordPress website. And plugins allow us to display different types of information on our website. Plugins are basically modules. One example of a plugin we're going to look at is a plugin that allows us to display the most recent 5 posts, or however many posts you'd like to display. But it would display a list of the most recent posts in your WordPress blog. Another means of customizing our WordPress website we're going to look at is we're going to customize the organization of our site. We're going to change the way that our site's pages are displayed. We're going to change our home page into something else, and we're going to do a few different organizational changes to our site. We're also going to look at swapping out images in our site, and this is going to be a good chunk of what we need to do in order to customize the look and feel of our WordPress website. You'll find that a lot of your images, such as your header bar and your menu bar and your sidebar and things like that, are all composed of background images that we can simply swap out in order to change the look of our site. We're also going to jump into CSS. It's very important that you understand HTML and CSS before we move forward with this video series. It also helps to have a basic knowledge of PHP, although it's not required, because we're not really going to get into PHP and program anything in PHP, but we are going to need to copy and paste a couple of small PHP code snippets and things like that. But I'm going to show you how to do that, so it's not absolutely required that you understand PHP, but it is a little bit helpful. But we're going to jump into CSS, and we're going to look at how we can format our text to change the font that we're using, or the color of the font, the layout of the font, things like that. We're also going to use CSS to edit the layout of our website, and this is going to be the last thing we're going to look at. We're going to change the widths of our columns and the width of our website as a whole. We might end up changing the height of certain elements within our website as well. But these are all different things that we're going to look at in order to truly customize our WordPress website. Downloading a theme and simply installing a theme to your WordPress website is only a first step that we're going to take, because we don't want our website to look like other people's websites. So when we download a theme, we're really downloading a theme with a view of looking forward and changing that theme and altering it so that we can make it our own, so that we can have a website that looks unique, that looks different from other websites that are out there. So I hope you learn a lot from this video series. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get started.